everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can turn off video camera in Google Meet. So let's say that a class is starting on you, or you are in a, how it's called, like a meeting in a job, right? So what you want to do is just, okay, I got the clothes there, you didn't see it, right? You didn't see. So what you want to do is just click the camera right here, and now you can't see my face, you can only see the yin and yang. So you just click here, the camera, and boom! And it's gone. So this is how you do it, guys. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, hope you are doing well, my friends, and be healthy. That's the most important. And take all the vitamin D, and also start swimming. Swimming is amazing. I love swimming. By the way, swimming is the best sport ever. Like, your joints are not going to be screwed, your bones are not going to get like destroyed, because if you go to gym, you are going to exercise too much on your bones, and it can be like too much pressure. So that's something you need to keep in mind. But swimming, oh damn, god damn. So have a great day everybody, love you all.